How to use Runway ML image to video. So over here we've already uploaded our image to the website. If you like, you can choose whatever kind of image you'd like, of course, but we're gonna have to choose our aspect ratio for our results, or actually just for the image. So we're just gonna go ahead with the original one over here and then just go ahead and press on OK. Now it's just gonna upload it directly. All we had to do was press on the little square button or the square icon, and then we chose our file, but then we're gonna have to enter how we want it to turn into. Make sure this is toggled on text/image to video as well, and then all these other options, but you could also change it if you like. The aspect ratio for the video, which was different from the aspect ratio from editing or cropping the image that we input, the video length, which are these options only apparently, and then the output number. There's more options over here if you'd like, but that's pretty much the important ones you have to put in, and then just go ahead and enter your idea. And once you're done, just go ahead and press on this button, which is just to enter and start the generation. And once it's done, it should just notify you if that is available as an option, but you could take a look if it is, and you should pretty much just get your results. You can download it as a file or whichever option it should give you, but that's how you do this process. Just upload your image and choose what you want the image to turn into as a video. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.